thunderstorm warning for northern Johnson County in north-central Texas, southeastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, northwestern Ellis County in north-central Texas, Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Keene, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Carrollton, Mansfield, Euless, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Burleson, Lancaster, Cleburne, Farmers Branch, Oak Springs, University Park, Midlothian. The following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 24 and 43. Interstate 35E between mile markers 413 and 441. Interstate 20 between mile markers 439 and 481. Interstate 30 between mile markers 25 and 53. Interstate 45 between mile markers 273 and 284. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.